What's going on, guys? It's your boy Phox, and today we're here to show off a new toy of mine. This is the Elgato Streamdeck. It was for about in between 120 150 type of price range, to give you an idea how much I spent on it. What do you think this does? Drop your opinions down below. What you think? What does this do to you? What do you want to be able to do with something like this? Or what do you want to be able to do on your computer? We're gonna take a second. Alright, now I'm gonna answer that question. You can do it. Guarantee you can do it. No matter how disgusting it might be, you can do it. Like, bro. But yes, the Elgato Streamdeck is a tool that you can use to basically control your computer entirely, from turning it off. I don't know about turning it on, but you can open applications, you can start your music up, you can start your games up. Pretty sure you might be able to set some command in-game. If you're the type of person to be into mods and you don't want to back out of your game or tab out of your game, you can just literally have a button set to it, press it, and boom, it's ready to go. Just give it a sec.
2 very boring minutes later.
It's gonna be ready. But yeah, that's what this provides to you, and it's amazing. But yes, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you the box again, firsthand. Open this bad boy up. Just keep things nice and neat. And yes, here we are. This is the Streamdeck. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. You guys can see it firsthand. Look at that. Alright, so it's on. You can see it firsthand. But yes, here's the Streamdeck. Here is the customizations I currently have for the Streamdeck. If you look right here, this is my mute button. This is my home screen. Let me start off with that. This is my home screen for the Streamdeck. I have the stream check in the middle, so if I'm live and I need to go on Google and basically check YouTube and Twitch to make sure my titles is proper, make sure I sound proper, I would use the stream check. I'd be able to press that, boom, it'll pop up. It'll pop up one window with 2 tabs. Yo, like, bro. Alright, so that's just one thing. If I go up here, let me see. I have intro right here. You see boy Phox right there. Actually had time to work on it while I was gone. So, well, I had a chance to work on it since I tried to record this last, so I actually have more to give you guys. But yeah, we have Phox. We have my intro. This is basically where I give you guys the whole bit. What's going on, guys? Your boy Phox. We have the gameplay footage. Basically, you got your boy Flash in the background. He's the gameplay. And you got me in the corner right there to make it simple. And you can also customize these things on the website. So I'm gonna make one with you guys later. And you also have Phox right here, and that's basically just to show like the game screen altogether. And it's a simple way for me to understand what my files are. I also have voice mod, so now I can actually change my voice for you guys in game. I'm also gonna add a prompt right here for you guys to actually, you know, start up voice mod. So let's say if I open this and it's not open like it is currently, it's not open on my computer, but if I press the button, it's gonna open on the computer. It's gonna launch the application on the computer. Yeah. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna hop on into the computer. You know what? I should have launched the application. So this is the Streamdeck application. Everything that you see on this screen, you see down here. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's like, oh my god. So if I go on scene effects, you also see a change on the tablet itself, on the Streamdeck itself. If I go to voice mod, you also see that change. And like I said, I'm just gonna take a moment and show you guys how to, you know, install a mod or install a prompt. I just have to be able to move my display, please. Just wanna move this to this side. So now you guys are able to see everything that's over here. You got voice mod down here, voice changer, See, we're not gonna look down there for that. That's where I got all of these from. So I went to voice changer, drag and drop, and then it says voice mods need to be voice mod needs to be running to start. We're gonna make voice mod start now. So from the Stream Deck, nope. We're gonna go down to system, go to open, like I said, drag and drop. We're gonna find the file location. I'm gonna do that on this side. Give me one moment, guys. Alright, so what I did, I typed voice mod down in the search bar below, and then I right clicked on, let's see, voice mod, right click, open file location. Once you do that, you can copy it. Where is it? You can copy it. Alright, so yeah, I gotta copy it. Alright, I got this, I got this. Alright. Start over. You can type in voice mod down below. Voice mod. Open file location. Properties. Target. Not target location, not location. Your target. You'll see the program file right here. You can also copy that. Paste. Good to go. Voice mod is now ready to launch. Ha! Ha! Voice mod is ready to launch. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna hope that it comes up on my main screen. I'm gonna press it now. Both hands on deck. you like what I did there? So you can see a little buffering sign. Give it a sec. I'm gonna throw on my headset to make sure I'm not blowing you guys out.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Gonna listen back a little bit. There's no scene capture. Give it one more tap.
By sheer coincidence.
The first time I did feel like I pressed 2 buttons. Alright. Starting up right over here. Another second to load up. Besides that, this ain't a voice mod tutorial. This is a Streamdeck tutorial. Basically, I was able to open up voice mod through Streamdeck, and I also was able to show you guys how to install install a prompt to open up an application. Sorry for the stuttering. Heh.
What's going on, guys? Pardon the intrusion, but sadly, due to technical difficulties, I don't even know what happened. But my file is corrupted for the second half of the video. One part is there, but the other isn't. So hopefully this video provided a great deal of information and persuaded you to either buy your own Stream Deck or for you to want more. And if you do want more, definitely hit the comments, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and you can show some support onto my Twitch. You will also find down below. But definitely be ready for more. And if you want to see another video, or if you're just simply here for the gaming content, definitely be ready for that. But yeah. Be ready for the Logitech G920 steering wheel unboxing, because that's still coming out despite me using it a bunch of times. So I want to show you guys it firsthand. And definitely stay tuned for more content. It's your boy Phox, and peace out.